What's up, family? So, any of you guys that are unaware that the Earth is flat and that the sun is not 93 million miles away, you need to wake up to it really quick, because the shape of the Earth does play an important factor indeed. So does the sun being in our local sky and not 93 million miles away. Reason being is they are showing you images of this live stream sun that NASA has created using 17,000 or more CGIs to get this image of this false live stream of the sun. And the reason they would do that is because they want you to believe that the sun is shooting out solar flares. Why do they want you to believe the sun's shooting out solar flares? Because they want you to believe that the sun could cause an E.M.P. because of it's shooting out solar flares. But that is more deception. So anybody showing you any footage of the sun shooting out solar flares, either knowing or unknowing, they are being deceived, okay? And they were deceiving you in the process and misleading you. So the sun is not 93 million miles away. It is right here, local. This is why you can see a cloud go behind the sun. This is why a single cloud can block out the sun. This is why they spray chemtrails and can block out the sun. Now, if the sun was 93 million miles away, how could one single cloud block out the sun? How could chemtrails block out the sun? Okay? It can't. This is all fake footage, and they want to give you this fake footage and show you that the sun is shooting out solar flares, because if a solar flare they would make you believe hit the earth would cause an E.M.P. But if an E.M.P. happens, I'm telling you right now, it's not because of no damn solar flare. All this footage that NASA is showing you, every picture you ever seen from NASA has been a CGI. They've been staging this shit for a long time. They in cahoots with Hollywood, and they produce shows and stage shows just like Hollywood. So, guys, if you guys research, you can find out that you can actually either take a like a 80 or 84 or late 80s or early 80s model car, and you can revert it and do the necessary changes so it will be E.M.P. proof. If you have a car that's about 1976, I believe, or earlier, you won't have to worry about it. It won't shut down with E.M.P. And E.M.P. is an electromagnetic pulse, and it shuts down the power grid. So there will be no electronics working, no electric, no phones, no cars. And you know, most of your cars now are all ran by computer boxes, brain boxes, and it's all electrical. Every bit of the car is electrical. So you might have headlights and your horn might work and the car might crank, but it will not start. So this might be something you guys want to do a little bit of research in, find out what you need to convert an older car to be E.M.P. proof, or to just buy a older model. I guess that's why it's so important to keep the older models, huh? So you wouldn't have to worry about it. But I just want to let you guys know that if anybody is showing you any images of the sun like this, and NASA live stream and shooting out solar flares, if they don't know, they're being deceived. And if they do know, then they're deceiving you along with themselves. So do your due diligence and do your research so you can get the truth out to everybody. I love you all. We all deserve the truth.